Okay, we are here again, and this time round, we want to look at the NFP news. We want to look at the NFP news. Yes, that is the reason we are here. I welcome all of you. I welcome all of you. We are looking at the NFP news. We are looking at the NFP news. So welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Wow. I love this. I love this. Okay, so I'm taking you straight to share the news portal with you. This is the news portal. I'm sure we can all see this. This is my forexfactory.com. It's actually a news portal, and it has other things you can find on this portal. When you go to the menu, at the menu, they have the forums here, they have the trades here, they have the news, they have the calendar, the markets, and then brokers. So when you go to the calendar, that is where you will find this. So when you go to the calendar on the menu, it will display what you are seeing, and you see the calendar here, and you choose the date and the day you want to check news. So if you want to check news for even last 2 years, you can get it here at the calendar area here. You navigate the year, the day, the month. And the same way, if you want to check news that will be coming in 10 years, even 5 years, that one you have to just change the calendar to that and check. If you want to know news that will be coming next week, tomorrow, and the rest, you can see all that. Now, today is 20th. So when you look at today's date, it's 20th, Wednesday, September 20th. And we have this very important news coming, and it's coming in the next 5 minutes, less than 6 minutes, the news will be coming. And it has to do with the federal rate or funds rate. And when the envelopes are red like this, it means that this news will actually move the market. It will move the market. When you see the envelopes are in red like this, they will move the market, especially the currencies that will be affected by the news. So in our case here, in less than 5 minutes, this news is coming, and it's on the federal rates. And if you want the details, let's quickly look at the details. Some people are raising hands. I don't know what is the challenge. Is it that you can't hear me? Let me check. Some people are raising hands, so let me check what it is. Those of you raising hands, you can type your message and I'll read it, okay? Just type your message and then I'll look at it and read. So less than 4 minutes. Now, let's look at the details of the news quickly. It says that this is going to be released by the Federal Reserve of the United States. It says interest rates at which depository institutions lend balances held at the Federal Reserve to other depository institutions overnight. So it has to do with monies that are lended or given to the other banks or other institutions. They are looking at the interest at which they give, the central bank gives this money to other commercial banks in US. So they are looking at increasing the rate or leaving the rate at where it is. And currently, as we speak, the big guys, the big players in the forex market are actually forecasting that the rate will be maintained, because the previous rate was 5.50. That was the previous rate. So they are saying that this news will be maintained. They are saying that this rate will be maintained. Okay. They are saying that, okay, later on, I'll send this link, the link to the calendar. A few of you are asking, how can you find the calendar? So later, after the news, I'll send the calendar link to you on the Telegram group so that whoever needs it will have access to it. So the previous rate was 5.50. And the big guys are saying they are hoping that it will be maintained. But the actual will come in less than 4 minutes. So we have 4 minutes or less than 3 minutes for the actual news to come, for us to know whether they will increase the interest by which they give monies to the commercial banks or the other banks in the US, or they will maintain the usual rate. Now, a lot of institutions are speculating that it will not be increased, it will be maintained. Now, if it is maintained, in less than 3 minutes, we are going to get the news. People are saying no audio. Is it that all of you can't hear me? Please, can you hear me? Because a few people are saying no audio. Let me know if you can't hear me. Please, can someone type? I want to see or hear whether you are hearing me or not. Oh, you can hear me. Okay. Those who cannot hear me, please check from your side. All right. So we have 2 minutes to go. But before then, we were having a trade on before we left. Let's go check that trade fast and see what to do. This is the trade. This is still the trade that we were taking. Those of you who took this trade, I think the Euro USD trade should be closed because it's already in profit. So maybe you should close that one. And then go to, yes, it's still hovering around the entry price. So if your capital is not that huge, please maybe close it. But for me, I'm allowing it to run. Whatever happens, I did here. You are here with me. So you get to see the outcome. So let me go back to the news portal. So in less than 2 minutes, this news is coming. So what is going to happen is that if the actual news should come and the figure is more than what has been forecasted here as 5.5, it means the USD is going to be very strong. But if the figure comes and it is maintained, if the figure comes and it is the same as this one, then the USD will either be weak or strong, because for that one, it is the investors who are going to decide what to do, because it came at the same or like the previous price. But if it comes less than this, then USD is going to become weak. But trust me, even if it comes less than this forecast over here, USD will become very weak. If USD will become strong, it has to come, the figure has to be more than, now we have less than a minute. Once less than a minute for the actual figure to come, the rate to come. When it comes, the market will react. The market is going to move, whether we like it or not, it will move. 30 seconds more, less than 30 seconds more, if I'll put it. So let's see what is going to be the outcome. When the news comes out, less than 20 minutes, the news will be out. Once the news comes and it's more than this forecast over here, then USD will become very strong. If it comes just as this forecast, that one, it can choose to go strong or choose to go weak. If it comes less than this number forecast here, that one USD will become totally weak. So since we don't know the outcome, now it is time. It's pending. Let's see what the figure will be. Oh, it came as normal. It came as normal. So let's go and check the news, the MT4 and see what is happening there. The MT5, let's go see. Wow, TP hit. TP is hit. Crazy TP. Now, crazy. This is the chart right now. Those of you who entered gold, it is hit. Your TP is hit. This is crazy trading now. Forex is good now. This is Euro. Look at the Euro trade. Look at Euro. TP is hit. This is going crazy, man. I told you I wasn't closing. You thought I was joking. I wasn't closing. Now I'm putting my stop loss into profit. Right now, I have put my stop loss into profit. So even if it comes against me, it is going to close me in some profit. This is gold. Look at gold also. Gold nearly hit my take profit. What happened? Why didn't it go more? Look at this. It nearly hit my take profit. What happened? Now I'm in $60 profit. If you trust me, oh, my TP should hit. My TP now $76 profit. It should hit. My TP should hit, baby. Hit for me, hit for me, hit for me. Hit for me, TP hit for me. Don't do anything else. Do. Oh my goodness. I told you I wasn't closing, right? Now, my TP for, what do you call it? This is TP for Euro. Euro is also almost hitting. For Euro, you should be smiling. Who was still in this trade? Who was still in this trade? Who was still in this trade? I lost $100 on gold today, but here we are. You would have made a lot of profit if you listened to me. If you did what I said, so much profit would have come your way. So much profit would have come your way. But one will say, why don't you close with this profit? Now, this trade can easily go back into loss against you, but do I care? This is news trading. All of you should be smiling. If you entered first, you should be smiling. Come on, baby, hit this take profit for me. Hit the take profit. Hit it. Trust me, hit it. I'm begging you, just hit it. Should we close? Because I have said the take profit is 50. My take profit on gold is 50. That is why. If it was 20, by now it is hit. My take profit on gold is 50. Hit for me, hit. Go ahead and hit. $88 now. Hit for me, hit. Go and hit, go and hit, go and hit. Oh my God, this is crazy, huh? Go, don't do this to me. Don't do this. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. What should we do? What should we do? Okay, let me close the euro trade. I have closed the euro one. Now it's left with only gold. It's left with only gold. Go, don't do anything bad. Just do what I've told you. Now, those of you who entered first, what do you guys think? Should I close? Tell me what to do now. Tell me what to do now. 53 people are watching. Tell me what to do. I gave you the signal before. And I told you I do my analysis before I come up with trades. So if you are following me here on live trading, I tell you not to panic, because sometimes if you panic, you will lose. Now, what is my total balance? Go and check. Let's check my total balance. Let's see my total profit now. I have $147 now. I just want this to hit so that I'll add it. Okay, good. Hit now. Go and hit the TP, please. Hit the TP now. Hit it. Just hit it for me. Hit. No amount of prayer will tell this trade what it should do. No amount of prayer. Trust me. No amount of prayer. No. Do something. Good. Go do something. Wow. What should I do? Okay, I'm going to put the stop loss like this into profit. And then I'll leave this one like that. Whatever we want to happen should happen. Are we good? Yeah. Let me put the stop loss also on this one. This is 5-minute time frame. Okay. Let me put this one too like this. Okay. I have locked the 2 trades in profit. So even if it can go back, it can go back and hit my stop losses. I don't care. That ends it. Let me bring this one to this point. Okay. I have locked the 2 trades in profit. Okay. Okay, good. So now this is what we call trailing stop. Those of you who want to learn trailing stop, this is trailing stop. Okay. Now I have locked my trades in profit. If it chooses to go against me, it will only go and hit the red line up there, which is the stop loss. And then the trade will close automatically. Because my take profit is how many pips? Let me see. My take profit. Okay, hit it for me. Hit. Almost. Oh my goodness. Trading can be something else. Anyway, close, boss. Close, boss. Close, close, close. Everyone is saying close, close. I beg, close now. I beg. Fantastic. I don't care if it can go and hit the stop loss. I have already secured some profits. The account was $100. Now it's $147. So I have already secured some profit and I have put my stop loss in profit. So if it chooses to go against me, I don't care. It can do whatever I want to do. I've already secured the profit I need. So that is that. Just this small take profit, this trade cannot hit. Come on, hit it for me. It's not with just some few pips. Oh my goodness, this is crazy, man. This one says, I made $125. Thanks so much. Please, when exactly do you come up online? This one says, I have entered for the sell and it is showing me a loss. What's going on? Like, seriously? You entered a sell and it's showing you loss? What? Roderick, which broker do you use? This is Xness. Sorry, this is DERIV. This broker is DERIV. So which broker do you use? Tell me the broker you use and let me find out what is happening. Because maybe the broker you use have opened spread wide. They have opened their spread so wide. Let's go check the Euro USD and see. This is Euro USD. What? Look at Euro USD. Look at what it did. The sell did. Okay, now it has closed me out of the trade. It went and hit the stop loss. The gold trade has hit the stop loss. You see it? So it has taken me out of the market. Now, my total profit is 155. It's okay. It's not bad. That is how we trade. If you get more, you take. If you get less, you take. So Tell me what you think. Now, my 2 trades are foreclosed. This was the signal I gave you. Now, we have learned a lot with the news trading now. I don't know what you want to say. What do you have to say now? I'm sure this trade will surely come below my take profit. It just decided to go and cause harm to me, and then, but no problem. I have made something out of it. $55 out of, I've made more than 50% because the account balance was 100, right? The account balance was 100. And out of the 100, I have made $55 just this evening on the 100. So come on, that is not bad at all. That is not bad at all. So this is how you can trade the forex market with news. I told you, those of you who haven't seen news trading, you have seen a typical example of news trading today. But look, I didn't just come up with a sell. I didn't just come up with a sell. I actually did analysis before I gave the sell signal. I did analysis before I gave the sell signal. So don't just think that, oh, you give a trade just because of the, no. Now, I told you that the outcome of the news, okay, based on what is going to be the outcome of the news, will determine when it comes just as the big guys predicted. No, let me know how many of you made profits. I'm going to read comments. Let's see those who actually followed and made profits. Say, I am just joining. Oh my goodness, that's so bad. What loss size did you use? Oh, I used 0.05. 0.05 is what I used. That's 0.05. That was what I used. Okay. Now, if I had closed when the trade went to about $80, I would have made $80 profit. But sometimes when you close too early you may get the opportunity to get more. This one says made profit, boss. God bless you. Okay. Please, some of us who joined the Zoom late after the analysis, can you give us the analysis after this? This one says I made $3.91 in euro, which is the euro trade. As for the euro, it went crazy. It really went, and it's still going. Look at euro now. It's still going crazy, man. Euro is still going crazy. Look at euro. Euro USD. Still going crazy. This one says I made 4K Nigeria Naira profit on Euro USD. I love you, boss. Okay, I love you too. Thank you for loving me. I love you too. Okay. Now, let me see if I can give another signal before we go. I'm just checking the chat with my phone because I'm doing live Zoom this thing here, so I have to use my phone to do the analysis. So, is there a trade I can give? No, at the moment there's no trade. Maybe I will definitely come up with another trade before the meeting today ends, because this is BTC. BTC on 5 minutes time frame. BTC, okay, no problem. Let's leave BTC like that. Let me look at gold again. You see, now gold has come to hit below my take profit. Did you see that? It has come to hit below my take profit. It's bad, huh? This is wickedness. Now it has come below. My take profit was somewhere here. It was somewhere here. And now they went and hit my stop loss and later came back to below the take profit. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. They should have given me I would have made about $80 on that gold trade, but they went back and hit my stop loss before coming into profit to give us. Now my take profit would have hit. This is bad, but it's okay. It's okay. It's all good. It's okay. My people, it's all good. It's all good. $55 is not bad at all. What do you think? I'm looking at another trade, but as I'm watching the chart from my phone, I'm not seeing any trade at the moment. So maybe let's wait for a while. There is also another news. This is the reaction of the news, but there's also another news. Let me show you something. There's also another news. Before you go, there's also another news, okay? Look at this news. The news that came is 2. There's also going to be another news at 6:30 in the next 30 minutes. Now it's 6:11, so 6:30, 6:11 now. How many minutes more? Let's say 19 minutes more. Or is my mathematics good? 19 minutes more, yes. So in 19 minutes, the US Federal Reserve is going to tell us why they left the interest rate the way it came or the way it was. So the FOMC press conference, they are going to have a press conference, and then they will tell us why. They will tell us why they left it this way. And that is also another time for the news to go crazy or the market to go crazy again. So it is also another time for the news to go crazy. Do you get it? Yes. Robert is asking, you sent us a signal today on GBP NZD. That trade has made over 150 pips profit. So that trade is done. We have closed that trade long time. We are out of that trade. The GBP NZD trade, we are out of it long time. So at the press conference, when they are speaking, when they are giving us reasons why they left this interest rate decision like it is, the market is going to move again. So watch out. The market is going to do what? It's going to move again. So please watch out. Once I see a signal, I'll post. Once I see a signal, I'll post. And definitely there are signals I'm sure I should be seeing, which I should post. Okay? So that is that. Are there questions? People are raising hands. Write your question. Let me answer. This one says, should I leave it or continue? Which one are you leaving? Because we are done. Okay, you are talking about the GBP NZ. We are done with that trade. That trade has gone in profit over 150 pips. That was yesterday's trade, not even today. Which pair are we looking for? The news. Oh my goodness, the news is over. Bantex. We are done. You didn't see the trades, right? Which currency pairs are okay? Danny is asking. We are done with the news. Don't take it. Don't take it. My son wants my phone. Daddy is making money for you. It's okay. It's okay. My son wants the phone. He wants to play game. Yeah, the news impacted the market. Or you didn't see that. Let me go back to the chart. The news really had a great impact on the market. It did. Look at it. Look at how the news moved the market. And it helped me to make some $55. It helped me to make some $55. So it moved the market. It really did. It did. All right. The news did. It moved the market. Let's look at other USD pairs for you to be sure. Look at USD JPY. See the buy. This is USD JPY. Look at the buy. USD JPY buy. GBP USD. Look at the sell. GBP USD sell. Which one again? Just look at all the USD pairs. USD. Okay. AUD USD. Where is it? AUD USD. Where is AUD USD? I'm looking for okay, NZD USD. Look at NZD USD. It made great impact. This is NZD USD. Look at it. And then AUD USD. Look at AUD USD. Look at it. So you see also a sell. The news made great impact on the market. So that is that. Please, sir, can you show us how you analyze the market? That is my strategy. And I can't expose my strategy to you, Danny. You have to pay millions for it. It's only exclusive to those who are doing mentorship with me. I only show those who are doing mentorship with me the strategy. Yeah. So if you want the strategy, you have to come for mentorship. But I'm on hold with mentorship at the moment because the people I'm teaching, I'm not yet done with them. So I can't take new people for mentorship. Okay. So that is that about until I'm done with in October, I think. In October, I should finish with those I'm teaching now. And then we can begin to look at mentorship again. But for now, I'm done with mentorship. So you see the impact. You see it. Euro USD. Wow, I love the sell. I love the sell that I've seen. Very huge sell. I gave this. Those who were strong to stand, this signal got it. Those who were afraid, they ran out of the market easily. Sometimes after you are gone, then you say, had I known, if I knew, I would have stayed. But it's gone. Just like the way they caused they hit my take profit before, my stop loss before coming back into profit. It's pained me, but I'll accept that. Okay, we are done, unless there's a question. I will join your mentorship soon, Danny. Okay, sir. So which news? So with the news, was the USD weak? No, USD became strong. I told you that when the figure comes and it is the same as the big guys predicted, then it's left with the investor to take a decision to either buy or sell. But the news came just like that, and then they took their decision to sell, to rather make USD strong. So that is what it is. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. This one says, Yona, I chickened out because I saw Rex XX on your Zoom invite. Oh, really? Then sorry about that. Okay, we are done. Once I spot a new signal, please, I will see you again. I'll definitely send a new signal for us to all join. So please stay here on my Telegram channel. Once I see a new signal, the Zoom link will be posted for us to enter into the trading room. God bless all of you. Sorry to those who couldn't catch these signals on time. I'll definitely see you again.